Here I have MG MS6, and let me show you how to change units and formats on the MG navigation. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the navigation. You can do this by using the navigation widget or by using the navigation button. Then let me go back to the first view that you should see. And now let's select here the menu button. Then select the settings, as you can see right here. From the following view, you need to scroll down to regional. Choose here units and formats. And here you can check the weight from metric, long tone, on short tone. You can choose the date format, as you can see, date delimiter, coordinate display format, and that's it. You can adjust everything to your needs. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.